Don't swear and look handsome. That's why we're here.
But I'm looking forward to today. It's going to be good fun.
And which is your favourite song out of our set list?
Our favourite song? Oh, I like them all. I do. I love them all. Yeah, brilliant. I love hearing the choir sing the songs. They're brilliant.
Yeah. Can I do it one-handed? I think I should.
He's just got nothing to say. Speechless.
Oh,
No.
There we go.
Someone's left the handbrake on.
How's the day going?
Oh, I love it. I'm having
We had
the
a
best
really
time
good
of my life.
first sing with a really good solo.
Really enjoyed it, yeah.
How's the first class treating you?
Miding. I'm camera shy.
What's it like not being in first class?
Well, we left it for the professionals. What's that?
First class is that way.
Yes. Oh, right.
It's the same.
We know our place. Yep.
Did you see how close you were to first class? Just one door away.
Oh, wow.
Oh no. This is officially the quietest carriage so far.
We're resting our voices.
Oh, always the professional.
Professional attitude.
Are we having fun?
Wow, really
Good.
well.
Lovely.
Lovely scenery.
Great start to the day. Got to sing song to get us going.
Oh, is there more singing?
Of course, there's more singing.
Lots more singing.
How's it going? Are we having fun? Are we having fun so far?
Oh yes, very lovely.
Yeah, very good.
Good experience.
Got anything more deep and meaningful to say now?
to say to you. I'll tell you another thing as well. They've been the best down choir that I've ever heard.
So loud.
2 2 1 2 2. Listen, we've got 7 male voice choirs here this evening for your delight and delectation. We're going to spin them around, and then at the end of the evening we're going to do something together which will take the roof off. But it's my pleasure and privilege to start the evening off for us all, to introduce to you the Carlton Male Voice Choir. And here we go, they're accompanied from their conductor Ian Watts, Carlton Male Voice Choir.